plenty of letters during the course of the year asking for help with sponsorship in one form or another. So I hope you don't mind me informing you and hope that you may be able to sponsor a cycle challenge we are organising in early March 2017. The money raised will be going towards helping young homeless women in the community to live in freedom and dignity. Them and their children's fight is desperate and for the most part ignored. These funds will help make a significant difference to their lives, giving them a chance to find shelter, work and education. Greatly moved by the reports of this inhuman treatment of these women and their children, we have been inspired into putting long hours getting ourselves in shape for the challenge, the cycling from Bhuj to Ahmedabad. This 350-kilometre ride will test every ounce of our strength and stamina, but it's all in a good cause. Can I ask you to donate to www.sklpc.com/Monday to Monday with your support and a pledge so we can really start to make a difference to such a worthy group. We will be in touch soon and in anticipation, thank you for your support. Please donate and help us raise £100,000 to make a real difference.